Good afternoon. This is Business Communication Unit 4 G. Venkateswaran, First BBA, KCS Kasnara College of Arts and Science. Types of business letter: sales letter, order letter, complete letter, inquiry letter, adjustment letter, follow up letter, letter of recommendation. Sales letter: typical sales letter starts off with a very strong statement to capture the in- invest interest interest of the reader. Since the purpose is to get the reader to do something, this letter includes strong calls to action, detail the benefit to the reader of taking the action, and include information to help the reader to act, such as including a telephone number or website link. Order letter. Order letter are sent by consumer or business to a manufacturer, retailer, or wholesaler to order goods or services. This this letter must contain specific information such as model number, name of the product, the quality described, and expected price. Payment is sometimes including with the letter. Complete letter. The words and tone you choose to use in a letter completing to a business may be the deciding factor on whether your complaint is satisfied. Be direct but truthful, and always use a professional tone if you want the company to listen to you. Inquiry letter. Inquiry letter asks a question or elicit information from the recipient. When composing this type of letter, keep it keep it clear and segregant, and listen exactly when what information you need. Be sure to include your contact information so that it is necessary for the reader to respond. Adjustment letter. An adjustment letter is normally sent in responding to a cleaner or complainant. If the adjustment is in the customized favor, being the letter with the news. If not, keep your tone factually and let the customer know that you understood the complaint. Follow up letter. Follow up letter are usually sent after some type of intended communication. This could be a sales department thanking a customer for a order, a businessman re- reviewing reviewing the outcome of a meeting, or a job seeker including inquiring about the status of his application. In many cases, this letter are a combination the thank you notes and sales letter. Thank you.